It's just like in a blog. I'm gonna say it. It's just like in a blog, so it's kind of a weird. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Mimi's Makeup. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Mimi and I am a psychiatrist and a makeup artist. If you love makeup tutorials, DIYs, reviews, and all these lovely stuff, girly stuff, please consider subscribing so you have notification when I upload new video on my channel. And if you are a subscriber already and you're coming back to my channel, I'm so happy to have you all here. Thank you. So finally, this video, as you saw in the title, I'm gonna make a full review about the Rush Brush 5-in-1 hair curler. It's just like bellami 5-in-1 or 6-in-1 hair curler. It's the same, but it's another brand that we found here in Egypt. I don't know if it's outside Egypt, but it's basically like one of the biggest brand for hair stuff here in Egypt. So I got this big baby. It's a really big one, and I'm so happy that I had it. This is the packaging from the outside. It's so beautiful and so big. So of course I tried this one. It's 5-in-1, so I have 5 videos for these 5 curlers on my channel showing you the final result with this one. So I'm gonna link it in the description box down below and in the cards too if you want to go and see the different styles for this one live for the first time. It was just like trying camera demo curl hair, you know, how to try on, you name it, but it's one video for every curler. So I have 5 videos, will be in the card description box down below. So let's go inside and see the packaging, what's inside. Of course it's not complete because I have the curler here. So it's a 5-in-1 hair curler. It's a 5 interchangeable paddle for all types of curls. It's what's on that packaging. Smooth curls with tourmaline technology. Auto shut off after 60 minutes. It's 45 watts up to 230 degrees Celsius. Okay, and there is a 2 years warranty with it, so it's amazing. Okay, this is the back of it. So inside, when we open it, it's just having like a magnet packaging. That's how we open it, and we have all the barrel here. I have kind of a short for how it looks. I'm gonna link it down too if you didn't see it, showing you everything inside. And we have like 4 barrel here because the 5th one is just right beside of me. I use it to do these curls, but I'm gonna show you really quick how it looks. So the first one is this really big one clip thing. It's really nice and beautiful, and of course I use it. If you want to have really big waves, this one will do the effect, but I use it for all my short hair, but I really need a kind of a like a longer one. So if I have extension on, I want to have this sexy wave, I'm gonna use this for sure. Like the small one, this one is amazing, especially for short hair. It's really amazing, make very beautiful curls. Of course there's another video for it too. It was my first one I have ever tried because it was so sexy for me. Like I really want to try this one. So it was my first video. The second video, because the first video was this one. That one is just, it's just like in a blog. I'm gonna say it. It's just like in a blog. So it's kind of a weird to try on your hair, but actually did a really good job too. I was amazed and shocked with the result. So I really love it. It's one of my favorite now, but actually I don't think it will work with my short hair. So I have shorter hair now. When I use it, I had a longer hair before I cut it. So I guess I'm gonna wait until my hair is like long enough to use this one on. And yeah, but it's one of my favorite too. So the 4th barrel is This one here, it's one size, all of it. Okay, because there's another one here, the fifth one, which I used for this video. It's a kind of a similar, but okay, but this one all like the same size. This one like a tabard. The upper part is smaller than the lower part, so kind of the same size like on top, but on the bottom this one is bigger. Okay, so yeah, I have these two. I use this for this look. Of course, all of these videos will be in the card description box down below. This is the third time I say that, but I really wanted to make sure I use all of them before I make a full review about this and say if I like it or not. But now I can say my opinion, and now I am in love. The heat is so amazing, really becomes so hot really quickly. I don't have to use a lot, I just like open it and just wait until like section my hair and it's hot. So it's amazing. It's really easy to like apply and remove. So there's a small part on here. Okay, this is the curler itself. Okay, and have a really nice long wire too. This one goes like in everywhere. Okay, and it's really easy to apply, really easy to remove. There's a small button here, I don't know if you can see. If I click on it, it's just so easy to remove. And if I want to add it, just like put and click. There's two arrows here too, show you that you need to have these two arrows just above each other, so it's on the right position. And it's really easy to remove. Okay, really easy to remove. Okay, so because it's on I don't want to open it because it's still on the electricity connected to the electricity. Okay, sorry, just keep clicking, just keep clicking on these are like the bad thing about this one, because they are so high. Every time I hold it, especially if I'm gonna hold it on like with my left hand just like this, I am right-handed. When I hold it with the left hand, I always just can you see my finger? I always click on it, just like decreasing or increasing the heat, always. This is the bad thing about this. I'm trying to figure out how to hold it nicely without just clicking, because I always hold my curler just like this. So every time I hold it, my fingers just like this. That's a bad thing for me. That's like a pain in the pain in the butt. It's a pain in the butt. We could have said the other word. Otherwise, it's so amazing. It's like it's so good. If this one was a little bit higher or a little bit lower for me, it would be nicer, like having this button here. But otherwise, it's amazing, and it has this like a digital screen, so you can see. So now it's off. Okay, I don't know if you can see it, but now it's off. I hope you can. Okay, I'll try. Okay, now it's off. Yeah, now it's off, but when it's on, you can see the number of the okay, I'm gonna open it for you because it's still on electricity. Okay, so sorry. Yeah, it has error because there is nothing connected to it, I guess. Yeah. Yeah, it's off. Just click. Yeah, I guess there was error word because I guess this one wasn't connected, and now it began to like tell you the degree. I hope you can see it. Can you see that? Yeah, you can. As you can see increasing. That's amazing. But I'm gonna close it because I don't want to make it hot. Okay, it's already hot. That's bad. Okay, so I can remove it now. So this is the curler. Other thing that I really loved about the barrels, actually it makes my hair so shiny. So even if I have kind of a dull hair, it doesn't shine as much. When I use this pearl, I feel my hair is so shiny after I finish styling it, which is pretty good because I don't know what it does. I guess the tourmaline technique, wow, technology, I don't know, but really add a lot of shine to my hair even when I don't have shine. My hair, sometimes my hair feel like when you have this really bad hair day, really dull, don't wanna smile. When I use this one, it makes my hair so smiley and just like, wow, so shiny and so beautiful. So this curler is amazing. I'm so happy that I got it. I got it for my birthday. I just buy it for myself for my birthday, and I'm so happy that I had it. So if it's recommended, yeah. If you find it outside Egypt, yeah, you need to try it. It's amazing. If you live in Egypt and you really wanna try new things for your hair, this one is a must, and I guess it will live for a long time. It has 2 years warranty from the company, which is pretty good. 2 years is a long time, by the way, but with a really nice care of this one, I always, when I finish, I just had it inside the packaging so it's not everywhere. But when I'm traveling, I make sure it's like the barrel inside the plastic bag, so it's not getting like hurt or like scratch or anything. It's so shiny and so beautiful. So I love them, and I'm so happy that I have them, and I bought it with my own money, by the way, so it's not sponsored by the company. I really wanted to try this from like years before Brush become to Egypt and become in Egypt. And like the bellami, I have extension, hair extension from Australia. It's from what? I forgot the name. I really wanted to try the bellami, but it was a little bit expensive for me back then. But I wanted to try the 5-in-1 hair curler. It was 5-in-1, now it's 6-in-1. But back then it was 5-in-1 hair curler. I really wanted to try them, but I couldn't afford the money back then. But now I can, and I'm so happy that I got them with my own money. And yeah, so amazing, and I'm so in love with this. And I'm so happy that I got it. So yeah, this is for this video. I really hope it was helpful for you, and I said everything you need to know about this one, show you everything, and all these styles would be in the card description box down below if you want to go and check them out. And as usual, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and share the video with your friends if you like it. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. These links will be in the description box down below. And don't forget to hit the bell button so you have a notification every time I upload a new video on my channel. And I'm gonna see you soon in the next video. I love you so much. Bye.